The question, the supposed contradiction here is, how many times does the rooster crow? Because as we just read out of Luke and is also echoed by Matthew, in Matthew 26, it says, Jesus said to him, assuredly I say to you that this night, before the rooster crows, you will deny me 3 times. However, over in Mark 14, verse 30, Jesus said to him, assuredly I say to you that today, even this night, before the rooster crows twice, you will deny me 3 times. So which one is it? Is it crowing once or is it crowing twice? There appears to be a contradiction. Oh dear, whatever shall we do? As critics would like to point out. Now there's a few different solutions to this, and some of them get a little, I don't know, some people try to get a little more scholastic and academic than is sometimes necessary. Some people have pointed out that the idea of just mentioning the rooster crowing wasn't specifically referring to a rooster. That it was just well known that about this time of the night or the early morning is when a rooster crows. And so some scholars say that Jesus is merely referring to that time when roosters crow. That Peter is going to deny him before that time comes. Okay, they make a case, and it's not completely implausible, but I don't find it very compelling. But if you ask me, the solution is so simple as it often is. How many times does the rooster crow? Once or twice? How about both? Because if he's going to crow twice, he's got to crow once. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John refer to just this general idea that, hey, Peter denies Jesus before the rooster crows. Now, what's interesting is Mark is the one that points out the extra detail of the rooster crowing 2 times. And as historians have noted, Mark got his information from Peter. Now, among the disciples who are going to remember the minute details of the event, who is most likely to remember 2 rooster crows instead of 1? How about Peter, the one doing the denying? And he passes that information on to Mark, who includes the details. And so rather than any kind of criticism or error that would make us doubt the Bible, this actually shows all the more the reliability of Scripture, because we know that Mark got his details from Peter, and this is exactly the kind of situation what you would expect when he's writing straight from the horse's mouth himself. And so we actually see a reinforcement of the reliability of Scripture in this.